Hello mga sisi ko, shout out. Sisi ko Laren Director. Sisi ko Job Sinaway. Sisi ko Nanahan White. Sisi ko Timbat J. Sisi ko Sisi ko Peli Lifestyle. Hello sisi ko Good Vibes Paris. Shout out sisi ko Good Vibes Paris. This is Sisi Koy. To all my Sisi Koy, shout out. And this is Dubai, guys. I'm going back home now. So happy blessed Friday, everyone. Happy weekend. Tomorrow, today's our weekend here in Dubai. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, my off day. So, happy blessed weekend to myself. And again, I will like to thank everyone, especially to those who is supporting my live stream and to all supporting my upload simple videos. Thank you everyone. Of course, to those who did not subscribe, please subscribe me. Rose the Mellow Vlog. This is Dubai, guys. Siyempre, gusto ko nyo shout out aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Jard anak. Ingat ka lagi dyan, Jard. I love you. Ingat ka lagi. Shout out sa mga friends mo din, sa mga whole family ko, shout out everyone, relatives, aunties, uncle, apong, and everyone. Of course, my favorite sister in Kuwait City, my sister, my best friend, Juliet and Duarda, sa lahat ng ating mga pamangkin, mga apo, shout out everyone. Happy blessed Friday. Today is February 21, 2025. Malapit na mag-March. Malapit na ang Ramadan dito, guys. March 1st, Ramadan na dito sa Middle East. Happy blessed Friday again. This is Dubai United Arab Emirates. This is Rose the Mellow Vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe to me. Thanks, and may God bless. Allah bless us all. Rose the Mellow Vlog. Thank you.